Hi there. This is Carrie from the Apparel Mentor, and I wanted to pop on because I've had a lot of questions this week in particular about tech packs. And so I just wanted to chat a little bit about tech packs. What are they? How to use them? Why do you need one? So let's start at the beginning. What's a tech pack? It's a document. It's an essential document that is used to make sure that your garment or your apparel product is manufactured correctly. So think of it as a blueprint, right? You can build a house, but in order to do that, you need to have a blueprint so that everyone has the same information and understands how that house is going to be built. In that same way, a garment or apparel tech pack is your blueprint to build your item. It's the plans with detailed instructions on how to create a piece of clothing, apparel, accessory, whatever you're making, right? Okay, so let's talk a little bit about why you need a tech pack. First of all, it's a clear communication tool so that it ensures everyone involved in the process has the same information. So your designer, your person who's providing the materials, your pattern maker, your person who cuts the fabric, the person that sews the fabric, the person that packages and tags the item. All of those people have the same information, which is housed in the tech pack, right? So it makes sure there's not room for misinterpretation of how to create, package, make colorways. All that information is in the tech pack, and it just avoids costly mistakes because everyone is using that tech pack as their master blueprint or guide on how to create this garment. So with that same idea in mind, it gives consistency to the process so that every time your item is being made, like during multiple rounds, it's consistent. The tech pack is that level of consistency, telling people how to make and recreate the item over and over and over again using that same blueprint, that same set of information, right? It can be updated if things change, so that's fine, but it's just that master document that houses all of the information needed. Tech packs can lead to efficiency and cost control in the process because they're kind of giving specific information that can reduce mistakes. It can make sure that we can speed up processes. So it's giving you efficiency and cost control in terms of your development and production, right? So a tech pack is really a great communication tool that is kind of that overarching house for all information that everybody needs to stay on the same page consistently and effectively to produce your item. So a tech pack basically is used for translating information, right? So it says, here's a visual of my item, meaning that a fashion sketch is now detailed out into a technical sketch that a manufacturer can understand and work with. It also has specs and measurements in the tech pack, so that is used to make sure each garment has the right dimensions and size in terms of the hip, waist, chest, inseam, sleeve length, whatever. So all of that spec and measurement information is used in the tech pack. There's also material information housed there, so specific fabrics and trims like zippers or buttons, the type, the quality, the color, all of that is housed in there. The construction details are in the tech pack, so this is outlining what types of seams are used, what type of machinery, how they're used, what size stitch is in there, what kind of thread is being used, that's all in there. And then labels and packaging. So when the garment is ready, it needs to have certain labels that's required by law. That's all outlined in the tech pack, where they go, what kind of labels they are, and then packaging. So how is the item packed, folded, shipped, and ready to be delivered to either you or your customer. So those are all the things that a tech pack can be used for and why you would need one. So without a tech pack, we are not ensured that our product is going to match, our final product is going to match our initial vision. So it's really important that we have this document in terms of being the blueprint and the overarching kind of guide to all of our manufacturing. It's basically the backbone of your item and your manufacturing processes so that you have what you need to be consistent with reliable and scalable production, right? So if you need a little bit more information on tech packs or want to see a sample of a tech pack, on our website, there is a free downloadable and editable tech pack that you can use, or you can work with someone to use. You can also book a consultation with me. I can give you more tips on that. And then if you are feeling like you're just needing a lot more help in the process of apparel development, we have mentorship classes available that start immediately, and you can join us to get that one-on-one mentorship that you might want to help you walk through the whole development process from beginning to end. And our goal is always to teach you and help you avoid costly mistakes so that we ensure that your product is really ready for manufacturing. So I hope that's helpful.